Miguel Cars, and today we're looking at the external view of the Chevrolet HHR LT, and this video is a video of the external view of the car. I hope that this video will help in your decision making, whether you are interested in picking up this car or not. Look at the ceiling of the car. We're going around to the back of the car, to the tires. I hope that this video helps you in your decision making process. Coming to the passenger side, front passenger side, and look at the tires. Go around and look at the rest of the car. Pretty much try to capture as much detail as possible. You can see the car has alloy wheels. You can see that the wipers come up here, but that's just in case I'm putting in a new wiper. No big deal there. And the car is tinted. The rear passenger and the boot area of the car is tinted. And that's it. I do hope that this video helps you. Thank you. I'm Miguel Cars.